this experience of free will being so real in the physical plane makes us great candidates for even seeking to get out of the system. Not everybody wants to do it. We are enjoying our life. We are thinking it's real. Why would we try to get out of it? But the seeking only comes from inside, which is trapped in this body. The awareness comes at a time which we have planned. We have planned the time when, in spite of the fact that we are considering the whole world to be real, something is telling us this is not where we belong. This is not our true home. This feeling, this is not our true home, this is not where we belong, does not come by itself. It comes at a certain time after we have had several lifetimes of experiences, and it is designed by us. When that experience comes and we feel this is not the place, I had enough of this show. It wasn't as great as I thought it would be. I am tired of it. I've had enough of it. These feelings come at a time when we become seekers to escape from here. And that seeking is the secret. That seeking is not possible except with the real feeling of free will. And that feeling of free will generates that seeking, and seeking leads to finding. Seeking is the only requirement to find. No other requirement. There is no other condition at all. If you are a seeker, you will find. The rest is only a question of time. The rest is all, how much burden are you carrying of the stuff here? What is the burden we carry which prevents us to achieve our seeking fast enough? The burden is simply our attachments to this physical experience. We have attached ourselves, we desire more of these things, and therefore our attachment and desire are the burden we are carrying, and when we want to seek something, they pull us down. Our attachments pull us down. And it is very difficult to detach. As I explained many times, that you cannot practice detachment. When we try to practice detachment, we get more attached. Therefore, detachment comes by attaching to something else. So the whole play of this game is to be attached to something else which is not the same level as physical. So when we want to get attached to something more real than this, we can't find anything here. So these perfect living masters come into our life at the right time when we need detachment, and somehow they pull us with their love. They start pulling us with their love. We don't know where we are being pulled. Are we being pulled physically? Are we being pulled in a sensory way? Are we being pulled mentally? Or are we being pulled more than that? When these feelings come up, we find that the pull is very deep. It's not coming from anywhere except from the soul itself. It's the soul that is occupying these bodies and now wants to return to its true home. The pull of the perfect living master that pulls us is coming from the soul. It is soul to soul. It's not something that's coming from the external self. Though we feel it's the external self also, because we don't know our soul, we don't know ourselves, and we only know our physical bodies. So it looks like the body is being attracted, and then when we find it's more than that, if you keep on examining, if you meditate and withdraw your attention and go to the next level, you will find the attraction of that beautiful love of a master becomes much stronger. If you even leave the astral self and go to the mental self, you will find that the love does not become less but even more. When you go beyond the mind, of course the love is pure and true. Then you find that's where the whole pull was coming from. It was not coming from the surface of the outside bodies we are wearing. So this is how the arrangement we have made to go back to our true home is simple, that we seek. When we seek, depending upon what we seek, masters appear in our life.